Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to check prosperity on the Cookie Run Kingdom application. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, because at 100,000 subscribers we are going to show you our YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your device. This will take a 5 minutes when the application is uploading. This is the home screen. Go to the profile icon at the upper left corner of the screen and go to the second section, the prosperity, next to the details. You can check your prosperity and you can check the ranking and the details. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.